Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making a basic yet nice looking Muay Thai armband. For the cordage, you can use many types of rope. In our case, we're going to be using Paracord 550. Now the cord usage is going to depend on the size of the bicep. For this tutorial, we're aiming for a bicep size of 30 centimeters, so a foot. For this size of a bicep, you're going to need a single cord, which is 13.5 feet long, and two shorter cords, each 3.5 feet long. Begin your work by removing the inner strands out of your pieces of paracord. Next, prepare a hook or a loop which is going to hold your work in place. Grab your two shorter cords, fold them in half. At the middle points, hook these two loops into place, like this. This is the core of our armband. Grab your remaining strand, fold it in half. At the middle point, pass your strand under the core, then start tying square knots. Push your first half knot up as much as you can. Then continue with your square knots. We're going to be doing this for a while, in our case for a length of a foot. With about a foot of weaving done, separate your strands into 2 parts of 3 strands each. Then braid each part using the 3-stranded flat braid. Now, even though this is a simple braid, it produces a beautiful effect. After braiding almost the entire length of your ends, the length of this braid should be about half a foot. We finish up by tying a foot rope knot. So out of this position, this end, so the left one, passes over to the right, and this middle end is going to pass over this one under the left one. So over, under. Done correctly, what you get is the crown knot with a distinct triangular shape. Loosen it up a bit. Each out of your 3 ends is going to pass over a strand coming out of the braid, then immediately up through the center of the knot. So this one, over this one, then through here. This one, over this one, and up through here. This one, over this one, and up. Lightly tighten up your knot. To finish up, pull these strands into your knot, through the knot, and into the ends. So this is our final form. 3-stranded flat braid and a foot rope knot. Do the other side exactly the same way. The final step is to grab one of these two lengths here and pass it through this opening here at the top. This way, our armband is ready to be used. Here is one way of tying on your armband. You take this length here and you tie an overhand knot. Like this. Then you feed this length through the overhand knot and you tighten up your knot as close to your armband as possible. And that's it. This concludes our tutorial on a basic Muay Thai armband. Stay safe while practicing this beautiful art. Thank you for joining me and see ya next time.